Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a quick snack of chili cheese egg bites. So come, let's get started. Now let's start with the egg mixture. So for that, to this let's add some salt and some freshly crushed black peppercorns. Very basic seasoning. And I'm also going to add a pinch of turmeric powder and a little bit of red chili powder. And we're just going to whisk this. The pan is hot enough. To this I'm just going to add a bit of oil. The oil is hot enough, I'm just going to grease it with a kitchen paper. So you got a nice piece of bread. All we have to do is dip it in the egg mixture on both the sides. And I'm just going to let it soak for a few seconds. And now we just place this on the hot tawa. Ensure that the gas is on low heat, otherwise the egg will start to cook faster. We're going to let them cook for about a minute on each side. While that's happening, we can start the cheese mixture. So it's a chili cheese egg bite. So let's start with cheese cubes. We're just going to grate the cheese into the bowl. And now let's add the chilies. And to this I'm also going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and I'm also going to add a little bit of finely chopped onions and a bit of finely chopped tomatoes. Let's also add a pinch of salt for the tomatoes and onion and a teeny pinch of red chili powder. Now we just mix this. So this is done. Let's check on the bread as well. Now let's add the cheese mixture. The other side is cooked as well, so all I'm going to do is make this into a sandwich and press it. Nice. So now we are just going to cook this for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. So these are looking nice and golden brown. Now let's just take them on a chopping board. So we're going to cut them into smaller pieces. As you can see, the cheese has melted. The mixture has come together really well. All we have to do now is plate. So there you have it. Chili cheese egg bites are now ready. The next time you want a quick snack, do try this recipe because trust me, you will love it.